Welcome to the melting pot of flavors that is Singaporean cuisine, where every bite is a symphony of cultures, traditions, and influences. Singapore is known for its diverse and delicious food scene, and today we're going to take you on a culinary journey to discover the 5 must-try dishes that you can't miss when visiting this city-state. First on our list is the all-time favorite Hainanese Chicken Rice. This dish is a must-try for anyone visiting Singapore. It's a simple dish of steamed chicken served with rice cooked in chicken stock, but the quality of the chicken stock is what sets this dish apart. The rice is infused with flavor and aroma, and it's a quick and satisfying lunch option. You can find this dish at many hawker centers and food courts around the city. Fun fact, this dish is said to have originated from the Chinese Hainan province and was brought to Singapore by early Chinese immigrants. Next up is the beloved chili crab. This dish is a favorite among locals and tourists alike. Hard shell crabs are cooked in a semi-thick gravy with a tomato chili base. The steamed crabs are partially cracked, then lightly stir-fried in a paste comprising of chili sauce, ketchup, and eggs. Despite its name, chili crab is not overly spicy, and it's best enjoyed with some bread to soak up the gravy. You can find this dish at many seafood restaurants around the city, but some of the best versions are said to be found at hawker centers. This dish is said to have originated in the 1950s and has since become a national favorite. Laksa is another must-try dish in Singapore. It's a delicious combination of rice noodles in spicy coconut curry soup with shrimp, fish cakes, egg and chicken meat. The Singaporean version of laksa is known as Katong laksa, which features cut-up noodles. It's a perfect blend of Chinese and Malay cuisine and is great for couples and families. You can find this dish at many hawker centers and food courts around the city. It's said that the origins of laksa can be traced back to the Peranakans, who were Chinese immigrants that settled in Southeast Asia and blended their cuisine with local flavors. For noodle lovers, char kway teow is a dish not to be missed. It's a dish of broad white noodles fried with black soy sauce, bean sprouts, fish cake, clams, and Chinese sausage. It's a popular dish at hawker centers and restaurants, and skilled chefs will add a smoky taste to the dish by cooking the noodles at a high temperature. You can find this dish at many hawker centers and food courts around the city. It's said that this dish has its origins in the Techi community, who are Chinese immigrants from the Kaohsiung region of China. Hokkien prawn mee is a dish that is sure to tantalize your taste buds. It's a stir-fried dish of thick, flat egg noodles with prawns, slices of chicken or pork, squid, and fish cake, seasoned with soy sauce, vinegar, and chili. Each serving comes with sambal sauce and a lime wedge to tone down the oily taste. You can find this dish at many hawker centers and food courts around the city. It's said that this dish has its origins in the Hokkien community, who are Chinese immigrants from the Fujian province of China. We hope you enjoyed our journey through the diverse and delicious world of Singaporean cuisine. From Hainanese chicken rice to Hokkien prawn mee, these dishes truly showcase the melting pot of flavors that make Singapore's food scene so special. Remember to keep an open mind and try new things. You never know what delicious dish you might discover. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more food adventures. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. Let us know what your favorite Singaporean dish is. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on our next culinary adventure.